Hello students, welcome back to your computer class of class 3rd. Your two chapters are over and in the last video I have given to you revision test of chapter 1. Today we will see the answer key of that revision. You all have to match your answer and check the mistakes. Then after we will revise chapter 1 and 2. This was your revision test question paper of 20 marks. First fill-ups 8 marks and second answer the following 12 marks. See your answers. First fill in the blanks. A. Answer was mouse. B. Keyboard. C. Printer. And D. Data. Come to question answer. Question A. How do we define a computer? Your answer was, a computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation. B. What is IPO? IPO cycle. Answer. IPO stand for input process output. The computer system accepts data as input, process it and provide the required output. Come to third. C. What is hardware? Answer was, hardware are the machinery electronic parts of a computer that can be felt and touched. Last, D. What is software? Software are the programs used to operate the computer. These were the answer. I hope you all have matched the answer. Now we will do revision of chapter 1, which we have already taught in the previous video. Today we will revise chapter 1. Student, what was the name of chapter? First chapter, a computer system. What is computer? A computer is an electronic machine that is used to generate information from data. And computer system, all the part of the computer together make a computer system. Keyboard, mouse, monitor, CPU, etc. Now, functions of computer. There are 4 functions of computer: entering the data, processing the data, data storage and output of data processing. Next topic was computer parts. There are 2 parts, hardware and software. What is hardware, students? You know that hardware are the physical part of computer that can be feel and touch. Example, monitor, mouse, printer, keyboard, etc. And software is a set of instruction that cannot be touched. Example, paint. And next, types of hardware. What are the types, students? See, monitor. Monitor shows the work done by the computer. Then mouse. Mouse help us to select the required option and draw the picture and many other things. Printer. Printer is done by the work. Printer is used to print the work which is done by the computer. Scanner. Scanner is used to scan the pictures, photos, images into the computer. Keyboard. And keyboard is used to input our work in the computer. And joystick. Joystick is used to play games on the computer. So these were the types of hardware. Now move to next heading, IPO cycle. IPO stand for input, process, output. Input, entering the data. Process the information that has been entered. And output, result given by the computer. So students, first chapter was completed. We revised today and move to next chapter, chapter 2. Chapter 2, computer software. What is software? Software is the set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Software are MS Windows, MS Word. These are the example. And how many types of software? Types of software. There are two types of software: application software and system software. Application software help us in doing some specific work, and system software is the manager of the computer system. I will show you the example. See, MS Word, Solitaire game and Paint are the example of application software. And Microsoft Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 are the example of system software, which is an operating system. So students, have you clear? Now see the exercises. Answer the question. Revise the questions you have to learn. First, what do you mean by software? Answer: software is a set of instructions that tell a computer what to do. Second, what is application software? Application software does some specific work only. Third, what is system software? Answer: system software is the manager of the computer. Fourth, write the difference between application software and system software. Application software does some specific work only, while system software controls the overall activities of the computer. Last, fifth, give an example each of application software and system software. Application software is Paint, and example of system software is Windows 7. So these were the answer. You have to revise. You have to learn. Now see the book exercise. Multiple choice question. First, the Paint program is an example of software. Second, software is a set of programs. Third, to multiply two numbers you use the program calculator. Fourth, Windows is an operating system. See the fill-ups. First, hardware and software help to computer to work. Dash is a set of programs or instruction, software. Third, there are two types of software: application software and system software. Fourth, system software is like a manager. So student, it was all about your chapter we revised. You all have to learn chapter 2. In the next video, I will take your revision test of lesson 2. Till then, take care. Thank you.